Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew back again with another watch list. I just want to apologize first for the lack of uploads recently. I wasn't feeling too good, so I took a few days off, but now we are back and we're going to be showing you guys some of my favorite setups for the week after Christmas. So first we're going to look into MU. As we can see here on the daily, it is on a nice little downtrend here, but it is trying to break up. As you can see, we finished the day almost at the daily high, and the volume's kind of dried out here on this downtrend. So what I want to see here is, with this trend line breaking, I want to see tomorrow, or the 28th, excuse me, when we come back, to have some big volume here as we can break out, and then we can definitely test 72 and then upwards of this this top channel. And then if we do break out, as you can see, this is sort of a bull flag with this nice little run up here. We can probably test somewhere near the 80s within the next few weeks. So it's definitely a good looking setup at the bottom of the trend channel. So it's a very high reward, low risk play. My next setup that I'm watching is going to be Visa. As you can see here, we have a descending triangle forming, and it's slowly getting tighter and tighter, and it's eventually going to have to make a decision move, or it's either going to break below this 205 support, or it's going to break above and start ripping. So what we would want to do is we want to play at the bottom here if we're going to play calls, which is what I'm thinking. I like the bullish because it looks kind of like almost a bull flag here, as we had this initial run up right here. But you want to get an entry near this 205 area if you can. Make sure you get confirmation of a bounce, just like here. There's a confirmation of a bounce with a big green candle. Here there's another decent sized green candle, which was a confirmation for the bounce again. Our resistance areas is going to be 212 here, and then it's going to be the high of 218-ish, around 217.9. But yeah, definitely make sure you don't chase it up here, because you might get caught and it might keep playing out. So you want to just make sure you get near 205 and wait. If it breaks below, then you can stop loss out, but if it breaks above, you definitely have a lot of room to go up. So it looks really good here. And then the last ticker on my watch list, which was Nvidia, we're actually going to keep it on here for this time, because as you can see, it's nearing the bottom trend line, which is going to be our optimal entry here. Make sure you get confirmation of a bounce, and if we do bounce, it looks like we're going to play up towards, I would use our first resistance near this 540 area, then we would go to 550, and then after that you can see the rest of the price targets slash resistances here. Make sure that you get the confirmation of a bounce though, because it is in a downtrend. But once you get the confirmation of a bounce, it'd definitely be a really good entry. And that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you spend time with your family this weekend. Nice long weekend from trading. And then come back, get ready for the next week. If you guys want to see more watch lists, more technical analysis, charting, educational videos, stuff like that, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be trying to throw out as many videos as I can a week to keep you guys updated on charts and stuff like that. So I will see you guys next week. Take care. Take it easy. Peace.